Girl, I've been rocking with your energy. They chillin' local, I cannot relate. I'm sitting back and all the choices made. I got a plan, you living by the day. Yeah, I'm a man of the people. They sending their dreams of disciples, like I'm the man in the steeple. Everything that I've been seeking, appearing a present to me. Tiptoe around me, you creeping, cause I know you thinking of me. You know I got tired of waiting for money and power to appear, so I start living my passion. My mind has been clear, so now I can see all the fake shit. I can't fuck around with a fake bitch. I stay rocking out with my main chick. You ain't a fan, you won't say shit. I'm in your playlist like, feeling energetic like it's Reddit slash. I'm a better edit, I'm a medic, bet it. Got a second credit, wanna bite then let it, didn't get it, spin it, cause the IRS bringing, I'm going, I'm flowing and showing. You already know it, I'm talking, no pause on my presence, a gift like I'm clausing. Hold up, a label is calling. I don't wanna be a second thought. People looking over me, you better know you caught. I'm a king, living like I grew up broke. Every single word I say might end up as a quote. Now people around me been saying the same thing, like Bobby, why you got your head in the rubble? Can't you just live a life more subtle? Can't you just work a 9 to 5 like the rest of us? Why you gotta always try to be the best of us? Can't you just go to school and dry up, living your life like us? What? Now I got mine and my passion. You focus on working for wheels. I'm flying up dreaming without crashing. You think about paying your bills. I don't understand why the days of your life you be slaving away. Digging a hole and jumping right back in at the end of the day. Now before you know it, that shit you great. Girl, I've been rocking with your energy. They chillin' local, I cannot relate. I'm sitting back and all the choices made. I got a plan, you living by the day. Girl, I've been rocking with your energy. They chillin' local, I cannot relate.
Undertaker.